Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to open Contacts application, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, select Import Export Contacts, allow, then select where from you want to import contacts, from phone contact, from your SIM card, or from storage. So let's copy SIM contacts from my SIM card to my phone memory. Here you can select which contacts you want to copy. So let's copy this one, tap OK. And now these contacts will appear in my contacts list. As you can see, I have them on my SIM card and also on my device's memory. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.